Hello student, welcome back to English Literature classes BA Part 1. Today our topic is regional novel. Okay. A regional novel deals with the people of a limited area. Its action takes place in the particular area. The novel tells about way of living of that area with their traditions, customs, prejudices as well as superstitions. Thomas Hardy is a regional novelist in the sense that his novel deal with a particular area called basics. Basics is a partly real and partly imaginary place. It belongs to an ancient name revived by Hardy for his literary purpose. It is situated in the southwest of England. It has no clear or definite limit. In the south, it extends to the English Channel, in the west to Cornwall, in the north to Oxford, and in the east to Windsor. Hardy was born in this area and large part of his life was spent here. It is the center of his novel. It is therefore his novels are called basics novel and many scholars call him a regional novelist. But it is a wrong conclusion for basic serves the purpose of an artistic locality in which Hardy presents the general drama of life. His characters are taken from basics, yet they impress with their universality. On account of this quality, his novels are still read with great interest. And the next point is Hardy as a regional novelist. Okay. In Hardy's novel, a true picture of rural lives is narrated so well that it seems as if real people were making movements before us. Hardy shows how the innocent people are free from grudge. When poor hunters work hard in Casterbridge and become rich, nobody is jealous of his prosperity. The people quite willingly elect him the mayor. They welcome Farfrae too, but when they come to know how to for rich Farfrae Lucetta has given up true love of poor husband. True love of poor Henchard. They decided to arrange the Sikkim ride. As per as As per tradition, they keep two idols on a donkey. The idols represent Henchard and Lucetta. They put a garland of old shoes round the necks of idols and take a round with a rough and loud shout. Seeing it, Lucetta faints and dies. Rural people love a fair and festivals. Hardy shows how these rustics are dominated by their strong emotions. In the Mayor of Constables, only Farfrae seems free from the weakness. Perhaps it is so, for he is an outsider in basics. In fact, basics people are as hard as stone, as soft as wax. Okay? They have strong likings and dislikings. In love, they are ready to sacrifice their lives, but in hate, they may even kill the enemy. Henchard, in the Mayor of Constables, refers to his love for Farfrae, though Farfrae is under the impression that Henchard is willing to kill him. Oh, Farfrae, that's not true, he said bitterly. God is my witness that no man ever loved another as I did that one time. I did that one time. But when Elizabeth does not treat him well, though he comes to bless her, having faced utter misery, he swears, I will never trouble thee again, Elizabethan Jan. No, not my dying day. Good night, goodbye. Regional novel cannot be claimed to be devoid of universality. For example, Hardy shows the hidden novelty of even an unworthy looking man and seems to suggest that hates sin but not the sinner. In his novel, he presents a conflict between man on the one hand and the vicious force of fate on the other. Irony of fate, he claims fills human life with strange ups and downs. He draws a true picture of rural life. He is a basics novelist. His novels brings to light universal human nature. In spite of being a writer of tragic novels, he inspires to take part in the battle of life. Hardy is an artist as well as a philosopher. He wishes to be called an evolutionary malurist, a person who believes in the doctrine that the world may be made significantly better by rightly directed human efforts. In the Mayor of Costabase, for example, he shows how by virtue of the hard labor, the poor handchild becomes the richest man of the town. The same handchild runs himself when takes wrong decision, thus acts are good or bad. Decisions are right or wrong, but man is the same. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.